If you'd like to see how I'm going to transform these little plain Puma kid shoes into these lovely, sparkly birthday shoes for my daughter's 3rd birthday, keep watching this video. Hey YouTube, so today in this video I'm going to be adding some rhinestones, embellishments, and a little bit of paint to these Puma size, I believe 9 toddler shoes. I'm going to use some Angelus hot pink paint. I purchased this off Amazon. This little cute bottle was about $7. And I have these brushes and a little paint palette and some nail polish remover. I'm going to go ahead and just move that factory finish shine from the shoes before I begin to add the paint. Now I'm just going to gently and carefully add the paint onto the shoes. I think the best thing to do is to find a brush that's very slim and small. I definitely could have used a smaller brush. Now if you do have some little mess up or some errors, which you may, see I just did on the side right there, you'll need to have you an additional brush handy so you can go ahead and dip it in a little bit of nail polish remover and get that additional paint off. Don't let it set too long. So I'm going to show you right here. I dip this brush in some nail polish remover and voila, the paint is gone. A nice steady slow hand when doing this. I really like these shoes because I like how the sole had the merge of the light blue, the white, and the pink. And the pink that I had from Angelus just so happens to like almost basically exactly match the pink on the sole. I just wanted to add a hint of something additional to these shoes. They just seem super plain. They also came in all white, but when I saw these really caught my eye. I think these shoes were about, I want to say $39 or $49, and I purchased them from Journeyz shoe store. Okay, so now I'm working on the opposite side of the shoe, and I'm just gonna slowly take my time and just kind of cover up this little swerve on the Puma shoe. And I'll let that dry for a few hours or so, but I think this actually has some excellent coverage. Now, if you're gonna just use the paint and paint only on your shoes, they do advise that you do a couple, maybe 2 to 3 light strokes of coats of paint. I think I only had to do 1 because look how nice that coverage is. And remind you, I am going to be adding some pink rhinestones on top of this. So yeah, so just continue to watch me go ahead and add this pink onto the shoe. And this is pretty nice. I want to start painting shoes, and like I'm not like a super, you won't see me drawing any Pokemon or any SpongeBob on shoes or anything like that, but I do have a couple ideas of colors I want to add or just switch up on my shoes. I'll have a video showing me painting a pair of Nikes for myself. I kind of stopped that shoe to work on this one because I wanted her shoes to be ready for her birthday, but I love how this pink is turning out on this shoe. Okay, so I'm going to allow this to dry. I'm going to add some rhinestones on top of it, but another thing I want to do to switch up the look of this shoe I want to take these shoelace clamps and make some really cute little shoelace bow clamps. So it's going to look like that. So these look very different. So I'm going to take some Maxi Cure glue, which is a very strong hold glue, and I'm going to glue this base because it's like the clamp. I'll have a link to where I purchased this from. It was from AliExpress, and I'm going to glue it right onto here and let that dry. Now this Bob Smith glue really does not disappoint when it comes to fabric. Every now and then I use it on rhinestones, but you have to really be careful because it will cloud it out if you make a mistake and get any on your rhinestones. And these little shoe clamps came out really cute. I did allow these to dry like overnight just to make sure they were fully dry, but the bottle does say a 3-hour full cure. And I will have a link so where you can purchase this glue on Amazon. Okay, so these are the rhinestones I'm going to be using. I'm going to use some E6000 glue. I have a wax pickup tool, and I'm going to go ahead and get started adding a few rhinestones. And the size of these rhinestones are 5mm, if you were wondering. I do have rhinestones and the wax picker tool on my website. Also the rhinestone sparkly bows. I have those as well. My website is myroyalradiance.com. I do always have a coupon code available for my wonderful customers. It's Royal Beauty 10 off, so you will receive 10% off if you decide to use that code. And also, I always have free shipping available. So just take your time adding the rhinestones if you desire to do so. As you can see, these shoes look like the pink already came like this. So if you wanted to just leave the pink and keep it pushing, maybe swap out the shoestrings, add some pink shoelaces, that would be cute as well. So the rhinestones are optional. I do understand that everybody is not into rhinestones or don't have the patience to add them on. Another option is glitter. I think I'll start back glittering a couple of pairs of shoes and see, because I used to glitter shoes before. I haven't done a pair in a while, so I'll start back doing that, playing around with some glitter on shoes. But this is coming together quite nicely, and I'm just going to continue on adding the rhinestones. I definitely feel like this is a beginner-friendly DIY. I'm not adding rhinestones to the entire shoe, I'm not doing all of that. I'm just adding them to this one little strip of an area right here. And you know what? If you ask, like, hey, what if I don't add the pink glue, the pink paint, excuse me. If you don't add the pink paint and you wanted to still go over it with the pink rhinestones, I feel like it would still work. Think about it. You can use a Sharpie. If you don't have paint, you can go over that area with the pink Sharpie. But I almost was thinking about just going over that same strip of area with some iridescent, clear iridescent rhinestones. That would work. I think when you do the pink rhinestones, it just looks so much better if you have something pink behind it. That's just my opinion. But I think it would definitely work as well if you don't have the pink, or if you don't have the paint or the pink behind it. It just looks better if you do. I allow these shoes to dry overnight, and this is how they're looking. Very simple, but I feel like it made the shoe look so much better. This should have came pink in my opinion. I'll give you a glimpse of her whole outfit she's going to be wearing. I allow these to dry. I'm going to go ahead and clamp these on and show you how this is going to look. So there's an opening here, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead over the shoelace just like that. Close that clamp, and it's on there. And I'm going to do the same here. Now I don't know if these come in white. You can kind of see the black right there, but it doesn't bother me. And I'm going to do this one. And this is cute. I think this will be cute on a shoe, a boot, or whatever. Okay, you guys, here is the final finished result of these cute little Puma kid shoes that I decorated for my daughter's 3rd birthday. And they're so simple, but they're so adorable. I love that little strip of pink on the side. That would have been cute if these bows were pink, but I think that the clear and the white bows still do justice to these shoes. I absolutely love these shoes. They're super cute. They're comfortable and they're pretty durable. You know, usually I'll do her a pair of like Converse, you know, those little canvas shoes. They're not really that sturdy, you know, so I thought this was a nice shoe to go with, because I actually went in the store looking for a Converse. You know, Converse are super simple to go ahead and bedazzle, but I was like, let me just try something different. So let me know what you guys think. Would you do something like this? Oh, and what do you think about the little shoelace clamps that I made? That really set the shoe off. It would have been like maybe a little too plain if I didn't have these on there. This just added that extra spark. Oh, and let me show you her outfit. So this is her shirt. That's an iron-on transfer from Amazon. Look at her jacket. Her jacket is so busy, but it's super cute. I had posted this on my TikTok and it got like 10,000 views. I was so blown away, like what? So people really thought her birthday outfit was really cute, made me feel good. And her skirt came from Amazon. Oh, and then here's the shoe again. Thanks you guys for watching this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did enjoy it. If you want to do some shoes for your daughter, I think this will be a really cute idea. And you can follow me on Instagram and TikTok at Life is a Whole Vibe with underscores in between each word. And thanks you guys so much for watching this video. Bye-bye. Website myroyalradiance.com, and we do carry faux leather inspired designer fabric for your crafting needs, luxury inspired croc charms, as well as iron-on patches and much more. Enjoy the coupon code MyRoyalBeauty10 off. Check out our website crtacticaldefense.com, where we do sell in-waistband gun holsters, belly band holsters, and many more. Please check out my discount code VIBES for a special discount for my subscribers.